Hey y'all, we are back with another video, but let's talk about this crazy week I just had because 7 pop-up shops in 1 week. Yeah, I really did that. If you ever run a business, especially a product-based one, then you already know pop-up shops is where the magic happens, the connections, the conversations, and the feedback in real time. And of course, the sales. But let me tell you, it takes work from early morning setups to talking to hundreds of people, making sure every customer gets what they need, and then packing up just to do it all over again the next day. It's a whole grind, but it's also why I love what I do. Seeing people's reactions to my products, explaining how they help with hair growth, moisture, and scalp health, and watching customers come back because they see real results. That's what keeps me going. And y'all, by day 7, listen, I needed a nap. But one thing about me, I'm going to show up, show out, and give this business everything I got because it's bigger than just selling products. It's about education, it's about community, and it's about helping people feel confident in their hair journey. Whether you have been rocking with Shenanigans Hairtique since day 1 or you just found us, thank you. Your support means the world to us. And one more thing, y'all. Since we are turning 5 years old on April 6th, wow, I can't believe it. But we are running an online sale on April 6th to celebrate. So if you have been waiting to stock up, this is the day. We will have products starting at $10.99, $12.99, and $15.99. And we may have some bundle deals where you can get 5 to 6 products for $65. I'll have all the details in the description. But yeah, 7 pop-up shops in a week. Would I do it again? Maybe. Maybe. I feel like I would, especially because I have a part-time job now. I would prefer to do pop-up shops all week long, but it don't have to be 7 days a week, like Monday through Sunday. It could be more like a whole bunch of pop-up shops in a couple days and I still get certain days off, if you know what I mean. But yeah, would I recommend it? Absolutely. If you are ready to hustle, let me know in the comments if you ever done a back-to-back pop-up shop, or if you love shopping at them. I will see y'all at the next one. Please follow us on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. We appreciate your support. And if you can't go online and shop, then make sure you share the post. Tell a friend to tell a friend. We're back.